Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn 5th standard term first science unit 1 organ system lesson la book back answer fullave இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். First Roman choose the correct answer. First one, what is the length of the alimentary canal? 4 option கொடுத்திருக்காங்கம்மா. A B C D 4 option கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Which answer correct? Answer D 6 to 9 meter. Okay. Second one, which organ is involved in respiration? Answer B lungs. Third one, how many kidneys do we have? Answer A 2. Fourth one, functional unit of brain is? Answer A neuron. Next, fifth one, blood is pumped by? Answer B heart. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, a group of organs together make up an dash system. Answer organ. Second one, the process by which the body removes waste is called dash. Answer excretion. Third one, the number of chambers in human heart is dash. Answer 4. Fourth one, the functional unit of kidney is dash. Answer nephron. Fifth one, the human nervous system is divided into dash parts. Answer 2. Third Roman, say true or false. First one, in human respiratory system, length of trachea is 8 to 10 centimeter. Answer false. Second one, the circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood and blood vessels. Answer true. Third one, important function of the heart is to transport blood with nutrients, oxygen, waste and hormones. Answer true. Fourth one, the brain is protected by the rib cage. Answer false. Fifth one, the functional unit of kidney is neuron. Answer false. Fourth Roman, circle the add one. First one, mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, lungs. Which answer correct? Answer D lungs. இது டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்குதுல. ஓகேவா? செகண்ட் ஒன், nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, stomach. Answer stomach circle பண்ணணும். Third one, mouth, esophagus, stomach, kidney. Answer kidney. Fourth one, taste, hear, think, smell. Answer think. C. Answer C. Fifth one, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata, nephron. Answer nephron. D. Answer D தான். Nephron correct. Okay. Next, fifth Roman, match the following. Digestive system, kidney, respiratory system, brain, circulatory system, alimentary canal, excretory system, heart, nervous system, lungs. இதோட answer என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Okay. Answer digestive system, alimentary canal, respiratory system, lungs, circulatory system, heart, excretory system, kidney, nervous system, brain. இதோட answer. Match the following ஓட answer. Next, sixth Roman, answer briefly. First one, name the salivary glands in our mouth. Answer, the three parts of salivary glands in our mouth are parotid, sublingual and submandibular glands. Second question, what is respiration? Answer, the process of providing oxygen to the tissues of the body and removing carbon dioxide from the tissues is called respiration. Third question, what is the functions of pericardial fluid? Answer, the space between the membranes is filled with pericardial fluid. The fluid protects the heart from shock. Next, fourth question, name the chambers in human heart. Answer, the heart is divided into 4 chambers. There are the left atrium and right atrium, upper chambers, the left ventricle and right ventricle, lower chambers. Next, fifth question, arrange the excretory system in correct sequence. Question கொடுத்திருக்கோம், urinary bladder, ureter, kidney, urethra. இதை வந்து நம்ம கரெக்ட் excretory system ஃபாலோ பண்ணி நம்ம இதை அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும். ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாமா? ஓகே. Kidney, first in our kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Okay. Next, sixth one. What are the two parts of peripheral nervous system? Answer. First one, somatic nervous system. Second one, autonomous nervous system. Seventh question. What are the functions of blood? Answer. Blood transports nutrition, oxygen, waste and hormones. It regulates water level and the body temperature. Next, blood is pumped throughout the body by the heart. It takes oxygen to tissues and cells and finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again. This is the answer. Okay. Next, seventh Roman, answer in detail. First question. List out the functions of the digestive system. Answer. Digestion is the breakdown of food into small molecules which are then absorbed into the body. The two main functions of the digestive system in digestion and absorption. The digestive system can be divided into two. Digestive tract, digestive glands. First one, digestive tract, alimentary canal. In this digestion of foods takes places. This tract is a coiled muscular tube extending is from the mouth to the anus. The process is mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, anus. Second point, digestive glands. Three important digestive glands associated with the process of digestion are salivary glands, pancreas, liver. Salivary glands secrete saliva which moistens food. Saliva which moistens food. Saliva contains enzyme which break down complex starch into simple carbohydrate molecules. Pancreas produce pancreatic juice which contains digestive enzymes for digesting fats, proteins and carbohydrates. Liver produce bile for the digestion of fat. Second question. Explain the main parts of the circulatory system. Answer. Blood is circulated to transport oxygen and nutrition to every parts of the body. Circulatory system consists of the following: heart, blood vessels. First, heart. The heart is hollow muscular organ. It is somewhat conical in shape. It is covered with double-walled membrane called pericardium. The space between the membranes is filled with pericardial fluid. The pericardial fluid protects the heart from shock. Heart is placed inside the thoracic chamber, ribcage in between the two lungs. The heart is divided into four chambers. Two upper chambers are called atria and auricles. Two lower thicker chambers are called ventricles. The upper and lower chambers of the heart are separated by a muscular wall or tissue known as the auriculoventricular septum of the heart. The right side of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from various parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps into different parts of the body. Second one, blood. Blood transport nutrition, oxygen, waste and hormones. The volume of blood in human adults is 4 to 5 liters. It regulates water level and the body temperature. Blood is pumped throughout the body by the heart, takes oxygen to tissues and cells and finally reaches the lungs to take oxygen again. Next, blood vessels. Blood vessels consist of arteries and veins. Arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood from the heart, and veins carry deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein which carries oxygenated blood to the heart. Next, third question. Explain three major parts of human brain. Answer. Human brain is divided into three major parts: forebrain, cerebrum, midbrain, cerebellum, hindbrain, medulla oblongata. First, cerebrum. The forebrain consists of cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. It is the largest part of the brain. It is the center of human memory. It is responsible for intelligence, imagination and reasoning. Midbrain, cerebellum. It lies behind the cerebrum. It coordinates the movements of the muscles of the body. It helps to maintain the balance of the body. Hindbrain, medulla oblongata. The hindbrain comprises of pons and medulla oblongata. It is also called the brainstem. It is called vital node because it controls breathing, heartbeat, and other involuntary muscles. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. Next, fourth one, label the diagram given below. உங்கள் புக்லேயே கொடுத்துருப்பாங்கம்மா. இந்த டயக்ராம் இதை நம்ம லேபிள் பண்ணணும். என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸ் பிரைனோட லேபிள் பார்ட்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம வந்து என்னது ரைட் பண்ணணும். பார்க்கலாமா, இதோட ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாமா என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸ்னு? ஓகே, ஃபஸ்ட்டு மேலே ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து செரிப்ரம். திஸ் பார்ட்ஸ் செரிப்ரம், தலாமஸ், பான்ஸ், மெடுலா ஆப்ளிகேட்டா, ஸ்பைனல் கார்ட். லெஃப்ட் சைட் இங்கே பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா செரிபெல்லம். இந்த மாதிரி லேபிள் பண்ணணும். உங்கள் புக்கில் இருக்குமா, இந்த மாதிரி லேபிள் பண்ணணும். என்னென்ன பார்ட்ஸுங்கிறத நம்ம லேபிள் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் எய்த் கொஸ்டின் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் ஹையர் ஆர்டர் திங்கிங். ஹார்ட் கொஸ்டின் மா. First one, why it is important to wear helmet while riding a bike? Answer, the head and brain is the most vulnerable to injury in a motorcycle accident. Helmet is effective in reducing head injuries. Wearing a helmet helps to reduce the impact of an accident on your head. Thus, you should wear helmets to protect your life. Second one, eating fast food and junk food affects our health. Justify. Answer, fast food is usually higher in fat, calories, cholesterol and sodium in comparison to homemade meals. Eating too much fast food can increase the risk of health problems such as obesity, high blood pressure, diabetes, etc. Eating a poor quality diet high in junk food is linked to a higher risk of obesity, depression, digestive issues, heart diseases and stroke, type 2 diabetes, cancer and early death. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.